Okay, update 22nd November 2014. My HarryH-E gaming rig. This is temporary down here at the moment just to see if things go. Everything is stripped down. New brackets are made for the top to lift the radiator up 25mm. I'm going to clean all this off. All this is coming out tomorrow. All that will be cleaned off, and because this radiator here is knackered, got all the old bits and pieces there. I have new 240 60mm thick rad, new reservoir. This one is the Alpha Cool one, which has got the black. Let's see if I can get it out here. Got this from CNC Central. I find them very good, and you guys want to try them out because it's black and stuff like that. Not sure if I'm going to cut this off around here so you haven't got any of that on there. So this fits a D5 pump in the back, which I'm looking for. It's easy to get to the pump speeds, so that's what's going in there. I got some white liquid, some fluid from Mayhem's to go in there, so that's what's going in there tomorrow. This is my little box I got with all the bits I got going in there. Got some Quiet Edition Corsair SP fans. Got 4 of them for the bottom, and I've got some acrylic tube which is going in there. I got the acrylic tube fittings which are here, which are the Primo Chill revolvers. I'll just grab one out there for you. So they're going in there. So maybe see how they're packed. Alpha Cool, much better than the radiator, which I'll show you now. That's why some of these radiators get damaged. Alpha Cool. A bit more packaging on there, please. Thank you very much. Got the 2 XFX 7950s there. They got the thing, but what happened here is they just don't go in. You can see the little bit on the side here, so I've had to put a 10mm extension on, but I want to change these for the same diamond ones like this. See how these are vertical, but I'll get some of those. Yeah, I got quite a lot of work to do on this. I got some excess PC ones of those, which look better than that. Let me see if I can grab hold of it down here. The excess PC one here, and they sit flush, and then there's a cover black cover that goes over the top, and you can just see the screen on it. So hopefully that'll work out a bit better. I've got a 120 airflow blue LED fan to go at the front to replace that one. That was just a test one to make sure I could get the bits and pieces in. I've got fan grills to go on here. This is a high performance SP, which is going on the top radiator. I got the 4 at the back there for this radiator. Well, not this rad, the new one. This is just a test one. I cut out the bottom. I don't know if I can just tip this over for you. Let me just try that. Tip it over a bit. Whoop. And then you can see the radiator in the top, hopefully. And then what I did underneath is I've cut out the bottom of the 1/2X to marry it up, and I drill these holes. These holes will pick up the ones in the radiator. These fans are they're just to make sure everything located correctly. So I'll put fan grills on there. It's not going in a dusty area where it's going in my, excuse me, in the office. In my main office, it's quite clean and dust free. So all I'm going to do here is put the grills on the bottom, and then the power supply on this side. But the power supply, I'm not sure as if to use my old AX1200 or get another one, because of the distance between here and the back of the case. It's 240 millimeters, and the AX1200 is 220. That gives me 20 millimeters from there. So I might get one of them HX 1000i's to go in there. I've also made a cover, cut out the thing for the 220 or the 230 fan that normally goes on the front, and I've cut a black perspex piece out here. I have a drain port on the radiator at the bottom, so I can connect my drain port to. All I got to do when I want to drain it is tip the case on its back, put that in, tip it over, turn the tap, and I'm away for draining. So that works out perfect for that. That cooler master fan there is just temporary to make sure all the screws fit up. But what I need to do is where these top screws for the fan fit, I need to drill a hole right here, so I don't have to take any of this out to get the fan out. So that's what I'm looking to do at the moment. As you see, there's a lot of work to do there, but I don't mind. It's going to take me a while to get things done. This is my build area. Got the screen there. Is to boot it up. I've got graphics cards. What I'm going to do with the graphics cards, I think, because I had blue liquid in it before, I'm going to take these off, clean them up, and I'm going to spray them matte black, because I did have them blue, as you can see. I sprayed them blue. I'm going to take them off, redo them all, and put them at matte black, because what I'm going to do, my colour scheme here, I'm thinking is going to be hardline tubing clear with Mayhem's pastel ice white liquid and blue lights. So we'll see how that works. I think I've got some new RAM blocks coming. I've got the EK Supremacy Evo upgrade kit for my CPU block. I've also bought one CSQ or clean CSQ RAM block cooler, but I need two because I'm on a 2011 motherboard. The thing is, it's trying to get hold of them, so I thought if I get one, I have to get the other one. So, which I will do. It's just a matter of finding out when I can get one, and as soon as they come into stock, I can get one from Special Tech or Overclockers or CNC Central, which are the main people I use. I've tried. I got some bits coming for the cooling monitoring from Water Cooling UK. We'll see what their delivery is like. It was ordered the other day, the same time as Overclockers. I got a few more bits from Overclockers, the Primotil tubing and a few bits and pieces, and that came yesterday, which was Friday 21st, and I get an email from Water Cooling UK that it's just in the process of being sorted. So that'll tell you something. That Overclockers, Special Tech, CNC Central are absolutely spot on with their delivery. when they tell you it's going to be delivered, it's going to be delivered. And the radiator and the reservoir, I think they're, you know, up and coming supplier for water cooling stuff. Maybe they need to get a few more bits and pieces in and have a wider range of stuff. But as they're doing at the moment, I think they're fantastic. After sales service, brilliant. CNC Central, I rang them up. I had one of the displays in the cooling monitoring that wasn't lighting up. I gave them a call. Somebody answered the phone. Lady answered the phone, very polite, and they send me the new one plus an envelope to send the other one back. I think that's fantastic. So there are CNC Central, after sales service and service, postage and packing, absolutely fantastic. Thumbs up to you guys. Thanks very much, and I'll be using you again definitely. So I think you guys should check out CNC Central if you're in the UK. I'm not sure if they go abroad with their stuff, but they are very, very good. So thanks again, CNC Central, Overclockers and Special Tech. And I'll be back to you with another vid update once I get a bit more done. Cheers guys, hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you again in a bit. Thank you.